What if I told you someone could control your thoughts, your emotions, and you'd actually thank them for it? These 5 dark psychology tricks are used on you every day, and most people never notice. This isn't just about con artists or cult leaders. These tactics are used by toxic partners, fake friends, even your boss. In the next few minutes, you'll learn how manipulators hack your brain, and how to spot it before it's too late. Let's get into it. Number 1. Mirroring. They copy your body language, your tone, even your interests almost instantly. It makes you feel like they just get you, but it's not real connection. It's emotional camouflage. They blend in until your guard drops. Ever met someone who liked everything you liked? That's not chemistry, that's strategy. Number 2. Love bombing. They shower you with praise, attention, gifts. It feels amazing at first, but it's not love, it's control. It's emotional sugar, sweet at first, but it crushes you hard. Narcissists use this to trap you in a cycle of dependence. Number 3. Gaslighting. They twist your reality, make you doubt your memory, your feelings, even your sanity. This trick works even on FBI agents, because it attacks your confidence, not your logic. If they've ever said, "You're too sensitive," or "You're imagining things," that's gaslighting. Number 4. Triangulation. They pull in someone else to make you jealous, insecure, or desperate for approval. It's psychological chess, and you're the pawn. Maybe they mention an ex, or compare you to someone better. It's not random, it's a weapon. The foot in the door trick. It starts small, a favor here, a secret there, until your boundaries are gone. It's how hackers work. They test one password, then take over the system. The manipulator escalates slowly. You don't notice until it's too late. Bonus reflection. If any of these felt familiar, that's your subconscious sending a warning. These tricks thrive in silence. The moment you name them, you take away their power. Which trick have you seen in real life? Drop it in the comments below. And if this opened your eyes, hit subscribe. Next video. How to spot a manipulator in 10 seconds. Trust me, after that one, you'll never look at people the same way again.